Family, I like to say thank you guys once again, you all, for tuning in to another video, man. I'm like so super appreciative of you all supporting the channel, doing what you do. Thank you, man. I know it has been a while since you all have seen my face, this ugly face of mine. It has been a minute. But you all, and I owe you guys an apology for that. I owe you guys an apology for not being consistent as I should be. But I wasn't gonna get on here and do this, but tell you all what happened. But I am, because you guys support me. You guys take time out of your day, watch my videos, do all this type of stuff for me. So who am I not to like keep y'all in the loop? Hey, what we going on about a few months now. My brother passed away. Best friend of mine. That really took a toll on me, you all, and I just had to take a step back from YouTube a little bit just to get myself together mentally. And you know, I would sit up here and I would think, out of all the things that I had going on, I just know that this one channel or this thing that I'm doing right now, he would want me to continue to keep going and keep doing, because he know how much fashion driven I was. So I had to get myself together mentally, you all. Because one thing I wasn't gonna come over here and do is just record some BS content and just push it out, because that's just not me. I try to give you, when I record, I try to give you guys the best of whatever it is. And so I owe you guys an apology for that. I just had to get myself together. But you guys, we are back now. Look forward to seeing more videos. I kind of think I know what you guys are looking for. When it comes to this, I want to add a few new things to the channel. During the whole little break or whatever, was a lot of people commenting, telling me other things that you guys wanted to see on the channel, and we're definitely going to do that. But the most important thing I want to get back to on this channel is consistency. So today we're gonna start right out. We're gonna hit the Ralph Lauren store downtown in Highland Park Village. I think it's a Flagship store. We're gonna go in there, run in there. I think they got a short set, a hoodie short set that I want. You guys stay tuned for that. I'll show you guys at the end of the video, or you guys will see it in the store. So let's go, y'all. Let's get to this. right here is the top. As you can see this right here, it's real lightweight, real light. It's not thin, but it is light. I think one of my favorite things about it is the red polo symbol right here, where the bear is. Show you how to do that. Because you know, the weather is gonna switch up for a second, and it's definitely gonna start getting cold. Y'all know that is my favorite time of the year. So let me show you guys the short set. All right, you out. This is the shorts that is alone. This is the matching set. Also have the same red polo bear at the bottom of them. You can see them right here. I don't know what inch these shorts are, but they are pretty long. They're not as long as I would like them, but they're not like, but they're like right at the knee. You can see. Now let me show you guys what I will be matching this outfit up with. Now the sneakers we will be pulling out for this outfit is the Nike Air Max 1, the Obsidian colorway. Shout out to my guy Ricky. He is the Air Max 1 king. Like I tell him all the time on our IG posts. Y'all know, once again, I preach it, I say it all the time. My favorite colors with any type of color combination with Ralph Lauren is always navy and red. And it is so hard to find navy and red sneakers. So I definitely decided to pull these out. These are not, they had two pairs. They had the golf pair and they had the, I think the OG pair. This pair right here, this golf pair, I settled with these. I think I like these better just because they came with the red tips on the laces. I don't think the original pair had the red tips on the laces, but I definitely be matching this outfit up with that. So once again, you guys, hey man, thank y'all so much for tuning in, checking out another episode. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Until the next time, I appreciate each and every one of y'all. I'm out.
Riding in the car, you probably can't even pronounce. Shawty got that ass, my tracks will truly make it bounce. Home run, hit her for the hometown. In the long run, killing with my own sound. Niggas vibes are out because I'm on now. Way up and I stay up like a drone now. Can't say sorry if I hit you with the mix. It's probably cause you hit me with the switch. Ayy, came in clubbing every time we hit the Ville. Chop a can of Twister, baby girl just wanna